This video today will be on how to change that boring Google white calendar background. So we're going to change it up and make it customize how you want. So let's get straight into it. First, we're going to go to the Google Chrome web store. In that, we're going to go and type in custom calendar background. There it is. Then we're going to click on it. Yeah. Once we click on that, we're going to add it to our extension list. So we're going to click on that. You can see mine is already added. So you go right ahead and you click on it, download it. Once it's downloaded, then you would go up to the right hand side and scroll over to your extension list. Once you get to extension list, you will click on the custom calendar background. Now you want to ensure that that's working and activated. So once that's done, then you head over to your calendar. What you would have to do is, if you already have a calendar open, is refresh your calendar page. If not, then you go straight over and you'll notice that there's this now little icon here. It looks like a picture. It says background when you hover on it. Click on that and it takes you to a new page. Now, this is the custom calendar background options, as you can see. Now, if you just want one picture to be on every month's calendar layout, just click single image. And yeah, and if you want multiple for each month, that's the list there. You can customize it by each one. So I'm going to show you how to put in a picture for a single image. All right, let's do happy. All right, see when I read it, I like. So you would go through the image, see which one you like. I like this one right here, so I'm going to wait for it to load. All right, so once you have found the picture you like, right click on the picture, copy image address. That's what we need. So you would copy that address. Ooh, this is a nice one too. Okay, focus. So then we go back to the custom calendar background. You would right click again, paste that in there, and click save. Once we click save, we will go back to our calendar, refresh the calendar page, and your image should show. As you can see, mine is a beach image. So this is what it would look like once you've done it. Now, you can always go back to the custom page and click monthly images like I've said before, and you put a picture for each one. Press save, and this will apply to your calendar for each month. Yeah, so that is a very straightforward adjustment that can be made. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this video is very helpful. Please stay tuned to another video on how to customize your Google Calendar tabs. Yeah, it should be great. See you soon.